So my name is Syed Ayub Ahemed. I'm your trainer, guys. Okay, for full stack data science with Agentic and Generative AI. All right. Just confirm, guys. You can hear me, right? Just quickly. I can see you if you guys have joined. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Hannah, for confirming. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So I welcome you all for the demo class. Okay, on full stack data science with generative and agentic AI. Okay, so this is the first demo is okay, and it's free of cost. So any questions you have, guys, before moving on session? Anything you can let me know. Yeah. Anything you want to ask? Anyone? All right.
Are we going to cover the course content? What will be covered?
Yes, Aman. I'll be walking you through the course content and all. Okay, because this is the first demo, right? It's free of cost. So I'll cover what's going to be there in full stack data science. Okay, and also I'm going to cover about the agentic and generative AI. All right, guys. So we'll start off with the content. See, can you see the screen, guys? All of you? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
cover this one. Yeah. First, let me give an introduction about myself. So my name is Syed Ayub Ahemed, guys. Okay, I'm your full stack data science trainer with agentic and generative AI. Okay. I have 20 plus of years of experience as part of my work and all. Okay. 3 years into teaching and 10 plus years into IT. I've been working since 2012. Okay. I have worked on different technologies like Python. I've used Power BI, okay, Tableau, and business analytics as well as part of my skill set. And I've worked on different projects as well, different domains. For example, I've worked on e-commerce. Uh, I've worked on textile. I've worked on different mobile apps design as well as part of the project and all. Apart from that, I'll just keep the introduction very small, guys. Okay, so that we can focus on the demo part as well. All right. And yeah, I've worked on a medical domain as well. Okay, and I've worked on traveling domain, accounting, as well as you can say analytics part as well. Okay, so I have trained different professionals over the course of my time that I've been giving the training. All right, I have trained different professionals on data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence. Okay. So I I've covered a lot of areas as part of learning for data science as well. Okay, and I have used mostly Python. That was part of uh, my work to train and work on. Okay, and I have worked on databases as well. Okay, SQL. I've used MySQL and SQL a lot. Okay, in order to work with the data science and data analytics. Right? And yeah, like I've worked on different project management tools as well. Okay, there are a lot of project management tools, so I've used them as well. Okay, a few of the examples include Zira, Trello, Asana. Okay, like that. So the skills I've worked upon. Okay, and when I actually started, so data science was just beginning to gain the momentum. It was very popular back in 2012, 2013, actually. Okay. I'm from technical background, uh, BTech, okay, and I've done my master's as well in data science. Okay, so this is a little introduction, guys, about myself. Okay, yeah. So we'll move on with the course and demo for you guys today. Okay, I'll share the screen. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining once again. Yeah. So as part of DURGASOFT, right? See, this is the number one institute, guys. Actually, okay, that provides full stack data science with generative AI development and agentic AI as well. So this is the batch date, guys. This is going to be starting. Okay, a few demos will help. Okay, immediately you'll not start or understand about generative and agentic AI and data science. So we'll cover 2 to 3 demos. Okay, I'll cover that, and then you'll be able to understand on high basis, like what exactly we are going to see. Okay, as part of that. Clear? Yeah. So this is my name, guys, and I have like I told you, right, data science expert. So duration will be for 4 months, guys. Okay, approximately. We'll see. Okay, and this is actually, the location address of the person. Okay, so I'm a faculty, you can say, okay, trainer of DURGASOFT, providing training on data science and agentic and generative AI. Okay, so this was about myself, guys, a brief introduction, little, and not much. I'll not take much time of yours because we have session as well, right? So we have to concentrate. So coming to the syllabus, guys. Okay, full stack data science with generative AI development. 1 second, guys. Yeah, skip it. So I'll be updating that. Yeah. So this is about data science, guys. Okay. As you know, so we'll try to cover most of the things. All right. And I'll go a little bit slowly only so that you guys get an hold exactly how the things move. Okay. For the data science. Clear everyone? Okay. Start off. Yeah, yes. Okay. So the starting off. First, I'll walk you through the content. Okay. Yeah, let me know guys if you can share the screen. Yeah, yeah. So hope you guys see the screen, guys, all of you, right? Yeah. So as you know, you can have the contact number here as well. Okay. Normally it's been given to you guys, so you can go ahead with the registration part as well. Okay. Once you feel after the demo, okay, you can decide. Okay, but that is a different thing. Okay, this is just a free demo, guys. Okay, it's completely open to all of you. So after this class, okay, you'll have the option to register for the main class as well. Okay, and then we'll start. I'll be conducting the main classes for your full stack course. Okay, on data science. So this is just a free demo, so you can have. Uh, like the, walkthrough for data science. Okay, but after that, once the class starts, right, that's the different thing, registration and all for that, because that is where I'm going to start the main topics and also that's a different thing. Right? But for this session, right, it is completely free. Okay, so you can attend it. That's no issue. Okay. Now coming to the syllabus. Okay, full stack data science with generative AI and agentic AI. So this is the programming detail, guys. Okay, I'll be covering you with Python. Okay, advanced Python. Okay, visualization will be there. I'll have statistics as well. Okay, machine learning. Okay, these are algorithms. Deep learning will be there. Image processing, CNN and computer vision, guys. Okay, and then some time series analysis also we can understand, guys. Then we'll look into natural language processing, text mining, okay, big data analytics, okay, like Apache Spark, different things are there, okay, till here. Okay, this is for your Python test. Okay, data science, right? Full stack data science. This is. So once this is done, okay, I'll try to move to GenAI developments. Okay, so GenAI means generative AI. So in this one, you'll have the introduction to AI. What is AI like that? Okay, artificial intelligence. Then we'll see deep learning as well. Okay, because this is going to apply deep learning. I mean, this is going to apply for both data science and AI. Okay, NLP again we'll see natural language processing. Okay, LLMs we'll see. Okay, large language models. Then working with Hugging Face ecosystems. Okay, working with LangChain. Okay, Meta's Llama API, how the API works and all. Okay, and Open API as well. And then some prompt engineering and work with LLM. I'll walk you through the detailed points as well. Don't worry. Okay, working with Google API. Okay, Gemini API. Building Gen API apps with LangChain, with the use of LangChain. Then we'll see introduction to stable diffusion and a retrieval of augmented generations. Okay, okay. Then agentic AI, like introduction is there, what it is. Okay, foundation of intelligent agents like this. Then we'll see decision making and planning. Okay, learning in agentic systems, goal formation and self-directed behavior. How the goal is there to set. Okay, agentic AI. Then agents alignment and safety of using of agentic AI. Okay, just again. So basically, agentic AI in the real world, how it will be used and all. Okay. Then some projects, okay, and framework, tools and framework. So what will be the outcome for this one course that I'm going to cover, guys? Like by end of the course, okay, you guys as learners should be able to design and implement the autonomous agents, understand the decision making and learning process behind the agentic AI, and also you can evaluate the safety implications, okay, ethical and safety. Build your own agentic systems for the practice application. Okay, this is for agentic AI, but you can include data science, full stack data science, and generative AI as well. Okay, and then finally we'll see some project implementation, as I told. Clear, guys, all of you still here, right? Any doubts in this one, guys? I'll walk you through the points as well. But on a general overview, I'll walk you through what exactly it will be looking like. Okay. I hope you're clear, guys. Okay. Any doubts still, guys? You can ask me.
So, Sayed, what will be the timings and duration of the batch classes?
Yeah, Peter. See, for demos, right, it will be from morning 7 o'clock. Okay. And second demo is tomorrow. Okay. So I'll cover the topics tomorrow as well. And for third demo, right, from third demo onwards or fourth demo onwards, okay, we'll be starting the classes. Right, that is next week. Okay. Because you need to understand the importance of full stack data science. So 3, 4 demos if you attend, guys, right? Then only you'll be able to have some clear understanding of what exactly the data science is. So then we'll take it from there. On third attempt onwards, okay, I'll be starting the main course content. Okay, about the course. Hope it's clear.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the main sessions will be of what duration, Sayed? 2 hours,
Uh,
3 hours?
Timings you're asking, please.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it will be from morning 7 to 10.
7 to 10. Okay.
Yeah, because this is completely weekend, right?
Yes, yes.
So for whole 4 months that we are planning actually, okay, that will be completely 4 months of course, okay, and the timings will be 7 to 10 in the morning. It will quite keep like that.
Sure, Sayed.
That's the reason I have mentioned 7 o'clock right here.
Yeah.
So it will be starting from let's say 18th or 19th. That's when we get started. Okay.
It will be Saturday and Sunday India days.
Yes, yes. That is. This is Saturday and Sunday. This will be Indian timings. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyone from outside India joining here?
Yeah, I'm joining from USA.
Okay, you're joining from USA. Oh, nice, nice, Aman. Nice to hear that. Oh, okay, even Ravindra, it seems. I hear him. That's good. That's good. So, which part of United States you guys are from?
I'm from Texas.
Oh, I see. Good, good, Ravindra. What about you, Aman?
Arizona.
Arizona. Okay. So, I hope both of you guys will be comfortable for this timing, right? Because it is for everyone. So, we have to start early in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice to see you guys. Okay, thanks once again for joining. Okay. And Vijay, Himanshu, and Virus, you're clear about the timings as well, right?
Yeah, Sayed, that's right.
Yes, yes.
Oh, thanks, guys. Okay, really nice to see yeah, people joining. Okay.
I have a quick question.
Yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
not from a data science background, so I'm not sure if this will be answered in the later demos or the sessions, but
Uh-huh.
how is like data science playing role with the agentic AI, Gen AI, whereas other streams are also moving into Gen AI? Is this specific how data science can be implemented using, or how Gen AI and what's called agentic AI can be used in data science field? And or is this just general data science and like they are separated? I'm just trying to understand, from a development perspective, we can have Gen AI and agentic AI stuff. So why is data science connected with this Gen AI and agentic AI in this course?
Okay, so with data science, your question is to how we can use agentic AI and Gen AI, as well, right?
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand, data science to me, I'm not from this background, but like, Spark, streaming, SQL and all that. So how are they interconnected with each other?
Okay, okay, I understand. So I'll just give you some little understanding of that, Aman. Okay. Yeah. So basically, first we'll understand. I'll just give you simple example, okay, for your question, but broader picture will be the data science. Okay. So data science will use agentic AI, okay, or generative AI to automate, okay, and augment the complex tasks. For example, driving a car, okay, without a driver. So you might have not heard it right till now. it was not possible, right? There has to be a human there who is present there to move the vehicle, but not anymore. Okay. Yeah. One and then some other. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, okay, in the chat, okay, Institute management has mentioned the contact details as well, okay, and your other details, okay, bank details as well. Clear, and you have to subscribe as well to our channel that is on Telegram and YouTube as well. So go through these all details, guys, okay, and just make sure you do fill the registration and you do register, okay, and you can market this one, okay, post it on to your friends who are in need or who are looking for stack with data science and agentic and Gen AI. We are actually welcoming people with interest to do the course on full stack data science and agentic AI as well. Okay, so just take all these details, fill up, guys. Okay, subscribe to our channels. Okay, there is other information as well. Okay, I'll walk you through as the demo goes on. Okay, but first let me answer what has been asked. Okay, so like as you guys have asked, like why data science is using or part of agentic and generally supply with data science. So as I told, okay, first one is to automate and augment the complex task base. Okay, moving from, you can say, like manual task, okay, on a general level. Clear? That is one thing. So I've given you one example of driverless vehicle. So in earlier days, it was not possible, right? Because we had some technology back present there as well, but still it was not advanced enough, okay, realistically speaking. So that way, over the years, the technology evolved. Okay, there was great work done, okay, as part of research and development, and then slowly, scientists, or you can say people who are working on the research part, they actually came across data science and the AI part. So what AI will do is, one example is, you can automate the process of driving a vehicle without a driver. You have to just do some algorithm initiation. Okay, once I have the algorithm in place, okay, from your starting point to your drop location. Okay, that is that. Actually, these details are coded inside or embedded inside the vehicle system. Okay, car in this case. So even if you sit in the car, or if it is not, if any human is not present, so once the process starts, it will immediately start on. Okay, it will take the route as per the planned way and all. Okay, location, and it will try to reach the location. Okay, that too within time. It has the initiation like that. Okay, so basically on general level settings. So this is possible with the study of data science and integrating AI with data science. Okay, because if you do not integrate AI, okay, automating the process will become very hard because algorithms make the human life very easy. Okay, they are not 100% accurate, but 99% acceptance rate is there. Clear, guys, all of it? Okay, I'll just take a blank sheet so that you can understand. There will be accuracy about 99.5%, or you can say 3% in some cases for the execution of code by applying data science and AI principles. Okay. Clear, guys? Because you know, right, 100% results are not possible to get. Okay, because see, everything is on assumption. It's okay, you know, right? What do you mean by assumption? There is a word called hypothesis. Okay, So hypothesis means assumption. Okay. Once an example I've given you. Another example is COVID you can take. Okay, so when we had pandemic, okay, 5 years back it struck right all over the world. In 2020 March it started. In other parts of the world it started in December only. India it came about March it began. So if you take into that account, right, it has been more than 5 years. Okay, that has struck, and people still have side effects due to that, right? Most of them have taken the vaccines, right? And a lot of people had fatalities as well, right? Deaths as well over the course of this time. So when the pandemic was going on, right, guys? So there were two vaccines. I hope you remember, right? India has introduced, okay, and other parts of the world have introduced other vaccines as well. So there was COVID Shield and Covaxin. Okay, so scientists were confused. Okay, like which vaccine was more in terms of decreasing the fatalities, right? There were less fatalities and there were less infections. So they wanted to test that. Okay, so how did they go about the plan and all? So they were trial and error basis. Okay, they definitely have to try, right, on humans to know what exactly is happening once the vaccine goes inside a human body. How quickly the resistance power is, or how quickly the human can resist for this kind of virus that is actually taking a lot of lives. And it is very, very fatal, right? So after a certain point of time, okay, once the vaccine they have introduced, okay, all the tests have been carried out. And then when it was introduced in the market, it took some time, okay, and the results were there. And it came like COVID Shield had more accuracy, okay. So accuracy rate was 72%. Okay, for COVID Shield vaccine. For Covaxin, was somewhere around 57%. Okay, accuracy rate. So with this score, okay, scientists or doctors could understand that okay, COVID Shield has better okay healing effect in terms of treating the COVID than Covaxin. So people introduced this as a vaccine to go for. Even some were taking Covaxin as well. Okay, but there were less side effects for Covishield compared to Covaxin after a certain point of time. So this study came only with the help of statistics, that is data science and AI, guys. Clear? Okay. Clear, all of you? I have given you some basic example on this one, guys. Okay. So yeah, so basically the two examples I've given you, one about the vehicle and this one about the COVID shield as well. So basically in data science, okay, uses agentic AI, guys. Okay. And not just agentic AI, you can broadly put as AI because Gen AI and agentic AI are part of AI. Guys. Okay. Okay. One second. So we will use the data science and or agentic or augment complex tasks. Okay, one of them are the development. So this is moving from statistic analysis to dynamic. How the AI perform data analysis. Because this will allow the data science to become manual, right? okay, to, for example, high level of can also, because AI agents can autonomously manage data pipelines, autonomous means automatic, and they also use to train and retain the model, okay, and also deliver insights, clearance, okay, and actions based on the real data. Okay, guys, I hope, I think you guys have got the answer right. Like how the data science is related with Gen AI and agentic AI. Or still you have doubt, you can ask me. I hope it's clear, guys. All of you.
Yes, yes. I have one question here.
Then,
So, there'll be recordings of the classes, right? Suppose if I
yes,
miss any class, there'll be recordings.
yes, definitely, there'll be recordings.
And um, in the official site, right, DurgaSoft Solutions.
Uh-huh.
So, can you give a small like walkthrough of where the uh, recordings will be saved, or even the assignments, right? So, will it be given in the class, or will it be uploaded there in the site?
It will be mostly uploaded in the site, guys. Okay, you'll have the details. Okay, don't worry for that. It will be shared either through your mail, okay, or through the
Okay.
website. So you'll come. I mean, I'll give you the details of that. Okay, don't worry.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So we'll move back. I hope this answers your question, guys, right? Who have asked about the association of data science with agentic AI and Gen AI, right? Okay, now, so program details. So first we'll see Python, guys. Okay, inside Python, you'll see Python installation. Okay, I'll be using Jupyter Notebook for our tutorial purpose. Okay, because that is user friendly. Okay. I could have used Visual Studio as well, okay, but requires some understanding of the language, and also it might take some time. So we'll keep Jupyter Notebook, okay, as our tutorial. What is a variable? Okay, what is function? Okay, lambda expression, loops, a list, and tuple. This one we'll see for the first introduction of Python and all. Okay, and then set dictionary. So I'll put you some assignments and coding tests as well. Okay, once we cover till this part. Okay. Clear here till, guys, all of you? Any doubts you can ask me. Okay. So next one we'll have is advanced Python. So this one will be some inclusion of, you can say, packages, okay, or libraries in Python. Okay, there are different names. Okay, some will call it as libraries, some will call it as packages. Okay, so introduction to NumPy. Okay, creating arrays, selection and indexing. We'll see. Okay, some basic operation on arrays, mathematical operation on arrays, okay, linear algebra, okay, operations on arrays, stacking arrays, okay, data types and type conversions. Then some assignment will be there, okay, after the completion of the topic, because this is like we have covered a few things, right? So you need to practice as well. Then we'll see some introduction on pandas. Pandas also is a package or library in Python, same as NumPy. NumPy stands for numerical package. Okay. Then we'll see creating data frames, okay, reading and writing operations, selection and indexing, okay, conditional selection. Assignments again we'll have after this one. I have assignment for you guys as well. Okay, then we'll see group by, pivot table, okay, merge, some joins, concat. Okay, and then again the assignment on this one. After this, you'll have missing value treatment, drop duplicates, dealing with the data time data, okay, and apply function. And then introduction to series, or you can say time series as well. Okay, series operation, pandas, built-in functions for data visualization, some assignment and coding tests. Okay, Clear till here, guys? This is the introduction part. Any doubts you have, you can let me know. Let me know. Any doubts you have, tell him. Any one of you can ask me. Okay. So next one is data visualization. Okay, I'll introduce you to the Plotly. Okay, Plotly is again one of the popular packages in Python, guys. Library, you can say. Okay, so we'll see scatter plot, line plot. Okay, scatter matrix, box plot, box chart. Okay, histograms. Okay, sunburn chart, and we'll create a dashboard at the end as well. So these are some charts that we're going to cover. Okay, as part of your full stack data science course. Then next is statistics. Central limit theorem will see measures of dispersion, okay, quartiles, interquartile range, variances, standard deviation, okay, z-score, normal distribution, okay, Pearson's correlation, okay, coefficient of R square, okay, adjusted R. These are some measures in statistics. Okay, I'll cover you. So what exactly is the requirement? Okay, I'm just walking you through first the course content. Okay, multi-chronality detection technique, okay, and the removal technique as well. Outlier detection and removal. Okay, and then some assignments on statistics part. Okay, then we'll move to the machine learning part. Okay, introduction to machine learning. Differences between supervised and unsupervised learning. Okay, differences between classification and regression. Machine learning application. Okay, data science project life cycle. Linear regression. Okay, some theory points we'll see on linear regression. Cost function. Okay, optimization using gradient descent, mathematical interpretation of gradient descent. Okay, and some projects I'll walk you through once we cover till here. Okay, for example, sales prediction project. Okay, and understanding why linear regression may fail as well. Clear? And then some model validation techniques as well. Because see, every algorithm might fail or pass. It's not 100% that it will pass at the first time. Okay, so you have to keep on giving the data, training the algorithms on different aspects. Okay. Then we'll see mean square error, root mean square error, okay, mean absolute error. These are all measures, guys. Okay, from where you will get the model score, algorithm score. Okay, polynomial regression we'll see, okay, and then some understanding of polynomial regression, implementing the polynomial regression using Python. Okay, these are the measures. Okay, overfitting, underfitting, okay, right fit, and some coding test and project as well. Okay, I'll see what can be given apart from finance project as well. Okay, guys. Now logistic regression. Okay, understanding the logistic regression step by step. Okay, we'll have some projects as well. These are algorithms, guys. Decision tree and random forest. Even your logistic regression and linear regression you have seen, right? These are all algorithms in ML. Okay. Yeah. Then some algorithms versus can't. Okay. Entropy, information on gain. Okay, step by step understanding of how decision tree works. Okay, how to overcome overfitting in decision tree. Cross validation we can do. Okay, bootstrap aggregation and bagging. Introduction to random forest as well. This is again one more algorithm. Okay, how an algorithm, random forest algorithm works. Okay, so feature selection, model validation techniques, and all. So this is the measurement on how we gauge the algorithms: accuracy, confusion metrics, classification, report, recall, and precision. Okay. Then some projects as well, like healthcare, okay, and banking, and some coding tests as well. And then hyperparameter tuning, I'll walk you through. Okay, you have to do this one in order to get the desired algorithm clear. Okay, K means clustering, one more algorithm. Okay, what is Euclidean distance inside K means? Okay, introduction to unsupervised learning. Step-by-step mathematical derivation we'll see. Okay, and some pros and cons of using K means as well. Okay. Then elbow method to find the K value. Okay, inside K means and some project work like customer segmentation and all, depending on what you have learned in K means. Okay. This is about ML guys. Okay, these things we'll see in machine learning. Coming to deep learning. Okay, what is deep learning? Then we'll have some comparison. Okay, deep learning and machine learning. What is perception? Okay, how neural networks learn. Multi-layers perception. Okay, activation and function. Introduction to Keras. What is feed-forward network? Okay, then detailed explanation of ANN. Okay, what is cost function? Optimization technique and gradient descent also. Okay, it has different names. We'll use this one. Mini batch on gradient descent one and statistic gradient descent as well. Okay, this is a measure to elaborate the algorithms, guys, in DL. Okay, it is applied in ML as well. Alright, so we'll see what is softmax. Okay, cross entropy loss, MSC. Okay, versus cross entropy projects. We'll see some price prediction. Okay, and coding test, and then we'll see the project on classification. Okay, IoT data or anything, any domain, or aviation I put here, but still. Okay. Then we'll move to the image processing, guys. Okay, CNN and computer vision. Okay. Introduction to computer vision, challenges in computer vision. Introduction to OpenCV. OpenCV also is a library, guys. Okay, inside the deep learning. Image basics we'll see. Okay, reading and writing of the image and videos. Okay, rescaling, normalization, color mapping, thresholding of an image. Okay, morphological transformation, image augmentation using Keras. Okay, what is image filter? Different kinds of filter. Then some conjugation we'll see. Okay, what is conjugation? Sorry, CNN. This one. Okay, convolution neural networks. Okay, pooling we'll see. Overfitting in deep learning. Okay, dropouts, and then some project. Okay, some medical domain, X-ray image classification. Then I'll move to time series analysis. Okay, what is time series data? Resampling. Okay, time shifting, interpolation, missing value treatment in time series. Okay, trend and seasonality. Okay, autocorrelation, time series decomposition, moving average. Okay, exponential moving average, time series modeling using Facebook. Okay, and then we'll see a project on time series forecasting as well. Clear till here, guys, all of you? Any doubts you have, you can let me know.
Are we going to use any cloud for deploying models or whatever we are developing?
Yes, you will use AWS or Azure. Okay, that is also there in order to show you the deployment, how it's going to happen, how you will integrate the environment and all. Okay, through APIs as well.
Okay, so we'll be using either AWS or Azure.
Yeah, depending on what we have, right? We'll be having that as well, guys.
So what positions can I aim for after successfully putting in effort for 4 months in this course? Data science, data engineer, AI engineer, Gen AI engineer. So what can I go for?
Uh, yeah, that will be covered, right, Amay? Okay, let me first walk you through the course, then I'll come to that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll come to the questions. Okay, don't worry. Okay, thanks, guys. Okay, So then we'll see time series analysis. Okay, what is time series and what is resampling? Okay, you have to go a bit deep, okay, to understand these things. Okay. Yeah. What is interpolation? What is missing value treatment in time series? Okay, what is trend and seasonality? What is autocorrelation? Okay, time series decomposition, we'll see. Moving average, okay, exponential moving average. Time series modeling, okay, using Facebook, and again some time series project as well, guys. Okay. Then we'll look into the natural language processing, okay, text mining, basically. Uh, this will be used a lot in marketing as well. Okay. What is unstructured data? Introduction to, okay, NLTK and spacing, tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, okay, lemonization, n-grams. What is word embedding? These are some methods, guys. Okay, word embedding and all. Count vectorize, okay, and IDF vector. This is pattern matching and all. Okay, regular expressions, and then projects on sentiment analysis. Okay, like for example, social media or document clustering. Okay, news data. Like, okay, this is for your NLP and time series. So then big data analytics. We are using Apache Spark. Okay, introduction to Apache Spark, parallel versus distributed computing. Okay, introduction to big data, Spark installation, Spark versus Hadoop, Spark versus architecture, lazy validation, RDD. Okay, Spark SQL and data frame as well. Okay, and then Spark ML library, that is machine learning, and then some project work. Okay, like retail domain using Spark. So this is about data science, guys. Okay, full stack what I've covered from Python, right? Any doubts in this one, guys? We'll see one by one once we get into the course wise as well. Okay, I've walked you through the full stack till now. I hope if you have any questions, you can ask. This one. Okay, no issues. I'll move to the next part. And now you go for the generative AI, guys. Okay, introduction to artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Okay, life cycle of AI. Differences between AI ML versus deep learning and Gen AI. Introduction to Gen AI as well. Python programming, pandas with C, machine learning. Okay, supervised and supervised learning and reinforcement learning. Okay, then I look into the deep learning. Okay, introduction to deep learning, ANNs. Okay, understanding of TensorFlow and Keras. Again, these are libraries, guys, in DL. Okay, TensorFlow and Keras, very popular one and very important. Okay, as part of learning. Then we'll see forward and backward propagation, optimizer, regularization, introduction to CNN, implementation of CNN, okay, all that. Then we'll see NLP as well. Introduction to NLP, history of NLP, okay, embedding, word to week, bag of words, okay, IDFLC, data augmentation, okay, vectorization, parts of speech, sentiment analysis, okay, implementation of RNN, LSTM, and GRUs. Clear? And then LLMs, will see large language models. This is very popular in today's time. Okay, because companies are asking for large LLMs, okay, experience as well. So we'll see what is the introduction, okay, for LLM, like encoder and decoder, understanding of self attention, what are transformers, types of transformers, okay, and implementation of transformers, what are LLMs, okay, types of LLMs, pre-training and fine training, okay, and then LLM applications. So this is about your large language models, guys. Okay. Then Hugging Face. Okay. So basically, Hugging Face is like a machine learning community, guys. It will be acting as a for machine learning to collaborate and share AI knowledge. Okay.
There is some audio disruption. Am I the only one who's getting a broken voice?
Can you hear me? Is it clear? Me. Yeah. Can you hear me, guys? Now?
Yes.
No. So Hugging Face is a platform. Okay, working with Hugging Face ecosystem, introduction to Hugging Face transformation library, exploring Hugging Face models and tokenizers. Okay, performing sentiment analysis using tree train model. Okay, introduction to trainer API, using Hugging Face models, okay, to share the models. Multilingual cross, okay, lingual transform learning, using pipelines for different tasks, text generation, named entry recognition, okay, integrating Hugging Face models with the web application. So these all we'll see. Okay. Then working with LangChain, introduction for LangChain framework, understanding the framework, LangChain setup and dependencies, basic configuration, okay, for setting up the deployment. Step by step, creating how the LangChain works framework, and some detailed walkthrough of how to apply the LangChain framework in the real time, real world application, let's see. Then this one is a Meta's LLM API, guys. Okay, you know what is the company that is running actually the Facebook. Okay, introduction to Llama, comparison with other language models like GPT 3 and 4. Okay, key features of Llama, understanding the architecture, and some discussion on sizes and capabilities. Okay, environment setup, installing necessary libraries and tools. Okay, that actually caters to cloud platforms. Okay. So architecture will see then, okay, of Llama models, accessing the Llama models, okay, overview of how to download the processor, set up the logo, understanding the difference between Llama, okay, model variant. These are some different memory sizes that Llama takes. Okay, we have to initiate the parameters, and then we'll see implementing some text generation using Llama. Okay, then we'll move to OpenAI. Introduction to OpenAI, working with OpenAI, utilizing OpenAI, setting up an authenticate in the OpenAI. Practical exercises using ChatGPT for text generation, GPT-3 and GPT. Then we'll look into the prompt engineering. Okay, how the work will happen using LLMs. Okay. So introduction to prompt engineering LLMs. Okay, introduction to GPT models, understanding of GPT-3 and GPT-4. Training on LLMs, okay, like GPT generative, pre-trained transform. Okay, and also some practical applications of LLMs, okay, in generating the text code and other things. Okay, working with Google Gemini, okay, API, getting started with Gemini, how to obtain an API key for Gemini, guys. Okay, overview of the Gemini, okay, accessing its features, detailed exploration of different Gemini models, selecting and initializing these things, step-by-step approach to create AI-powered chatbot using the Gen AI, guys, or Gemini as well. Okay, I'm building Gen AI apps using LangChain. So introduction to LangChain framework, we'll see here, understanding of the concepts, okay, of LangChain, and setting up a necessary dependencies, basic configuration of development. Okay, step by step, we'll see for LangChain on detailed walkthroughs. Okay, and then we'll go for introduction to stable diffusion and retrieval of AI, guys, augmented generation. So stable diffusion will see introduction fundamentally of these models application. Modifying the image, okay, staying like styles and nudes, parameters of image generation, okay, seeds, prompts, and all. Some tools can fine tuning on stable diffusion also by handling custom datasets. Introduction to retrieval augmented generation and building applications using retrieval augmented generation. Okay, so these things will cover. And then agentic AI, post content, what exactly it will be. What is agentic AI? Okay, what is agentic AI matters, why it matters, and all, and some key concepts like agency, autonomy, Okay, goal-oriented behavior and planning decision making. Then we'll go for foundations of intelligence AI, like agents architecture, okay, perception and action, rational agents, okay, and some decision making and planning, decision theory, classical planning, hierarchical planning. Okay, we'll get into these things. Okay, don't worry. I'm just walking you through the normal thing. Okay, reinforcement learning. Okay, multi-agent RL, imitation and inverse reinforcement learning as well. And goal formation and self-directed behavior will also see. Okay, agentic alignment safety. Okay, agentic AI in the real world and capstone projects. Okay, tools and frameworks like OpenAI, Gymnasium, LangChain, Q, Autogen libraries, okay, and Hugging Face transformation as well. Clear, guys? Still here? All of you, I hope. Okay. Any doubts till now, guys, in the course content? You can let me know.
Still, the first question I had, the roles, and one more question. All these topics that you showed, in the contents,
Yeah.
will they be mostly practical, hands-on? Because it's a lot of new technologies or the new concepts that I am looking at. Will they be hands-on, practical, or that will be mostly theoretical? So I'm just looking from the outcome of the course, which can lead me to a successful interview and potentially a job in AI, data science, or whatever, which was my first question.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah, man. I'll be covering that. Yeah, I'll be covering. So, as you have asked, right, what roles we can target or look for once we do this course. Okay, so I'll walk you through that part first. Okay. Uh, yeah. Designations. For data science people actually, okay, and AI. So first, if you like go through the course content, this is for full stack I have covered, okay, completely from end to end, including Gen and Agentic AI. So you can become a data scientist, okay, data analyst. Next one is data engineer, AI engineer, ML engineer. Clear? And apart from this, you have data analytics engineer, to name a few. Okay.
So AI engineer is Gen AI engineer or AI?
Yeah, that is part of Gen AI and Agentic AI as well. Okay, few people will work on Gen AI and few will use Agentic AI depending on what the requirement is. Okay, you can have few more are there. Okay, I'm just walking you through some. You can become data architect as well. Okay, there is also a possibility business intelligence analyst, ML data analyst. Thinking, yeah, this also is important. Some people will use it, guys. Okay, for the companies require these. What I'm writing now. Okay, I've seen people work as a data strategist as well. Okay, that's the reason I'm writing. Okay, you can become a business analyst as well. Okay. Yeah. So these are some designations that you can target or you can expect to go for once you are completing the course. So how these roles overlap or will be useful. For example, take smaller companies, like so person task, performing task of one person will be different. Okay, it can vary. For example, one person may perform tasks across multiple roles, right? That is possibility. You agree, right? For example, data analysis and modeling. Okay. In larger companies, okay, roles may be specialized as well. For example, tasks can be broken down into data engineering, analytics, or machine learning, or data engineer, data architect, like that. So these kind of courses, okay, will help you to build the perception of going for data science field. Clear? I hope it's. And this answers your question, guys. I hope, right? Clear, all of you? Aman, Ravindra, Shrijil, and Vijay. Also, there are few, okay, can say data storyteller, because you have to tell the story. You can have as a data science consultant as well. Data visualization analyst.
So for in 4 months, I mean, we only have 2 days class, and there are a lot of topics that you showed. Will there be mostly theoretical also on those topics? Because I'm still honestly, I I'm looking forward into like becoming a Gen AI engineer, but I'm not sure because to me, data scientist is a completely different stream. I mean, this is the first time I'm looking at where they are collaborated with each other, data science with Gen AI. I'm not sure. I'm still confused how in the enterprises or companies they will be using data science and AI together.
Yeah,
Or
I'll walk you through. I have a few slides, okay, prepared, and I'll explain you about this one. Okay, we'll cover this one. Okay, let me first go through the parts what you have asked, like cover courses and all. Okay, so we are clear about the designation, right, Aman? Data science consultant, data storytelling, data visualization analyst. Okay, these are also some
yeah.
designations target. Okay, yeah. So I hope the people also they are clear, right, guys? All of you with the designations, like what can you try once you become a data scientist or once you're done with the course. Okay, yeah. So I'll move to the slides, guys. Okay, this is prepared by me only. For full stack data science with generative AI and agentic AI. So what is the agenda, guys? What is full stack data science, generative AI, okay, agentic AI, integrated architecture. So demos instance will see how normal inclusion amount, future trends, and some discussions. Okay. So what is full stack data science? First, I'll cover that. Okay. So what do you think a data science is, guys, as per your understanding? One second, guys. Before starting this one, I have few details to share with you. Yeah, this one. Let me share this one. So as you can see the screen, guys, okay, we have online training for 12 weekend batches. This is by me. So 11th and 12th October. Okay, the links you have. So as per DurgaSoft's special offer, right? So you have 170 plus free videos we are giving to give you guys. Okay, that is free completely. Okay, for 5,000. This is actual cost, but we are giving it for free. Okay, for 6 months access. So that includes interview questions, real-time projects, okay, job assistance and resume building, and also course complete certification. Clear? Fee structure you already know. Just wanted to give you these details as well. Clear, all of you? Okay, so these videos are really very, very helpful for you. And we're giving it for free for 6 months access. Okay, so you can go through them. Okay, you can get to know details, data science. Right? So it will be really, really helpful. Okay, so I'm clear, guys, all of you. Okay, so you can make a note of this. So it's clear, guys, all of you. All right, so I'll move then to main course part. What is full stack data science? Okay, basically it refers to the broad skill set within data science, where a single individual can handle the entire machine learning events. So you can say it refers to broad skill set within data. Individual and the entire yeah, science. There will be project life cycles as well. Yeah. Clear? So it refers to a broad skill set, guys, within data science, where a single individual handles the entire machine learning and data science project lifecycle. Okay. You can have It includes from identifying business needs, we have to send some data architectures as data architectures, building, you can say algorithms or models, okay, any way we can put. And also we have to deploy them, right? Into production means real time, you can say. Okay. Clear? Got an idea, guys? What is full stack data science now? It refers to a broader skill set of data science where and single individual handles the entire machine learning and data product life cycles. Okay, like identifying business needs and setting up data architectures to building models and deploying them into the real world applications. Clear? Clear, all of you? Okay. Now I'll explain you the four verticals of data science or full data science, guys. First one is data engineering. Okay. This you'll have as collection, storage, management, governance, quality control. So these are the parts of data engineering. Okay, clear? Just for the normal understanding. This is the first vertical. What about second? Data analysis. This will have graphical analysis. That means I'll be using graph. Let's take it to the other page, guys. And statistical analysis. Clear, guys? Okay. Third one will have us data model. Okay, I'm just writing in the rough ways, okay, just for understanding. Hope you are clear, right? At least all of you. Any doubts still here, guys? You can let me know. All right. So in data modeling, what we'll see, guys, we'll have statistical modeling, and machine learning. Okay, last one is model deployment and monitoring as well. Clear? In this one, what you're going to see is risk monitoring. Okay, you have to track the model as well. do the registration of the model. Okay. And you have to make some different tokens or containers as well. Okay. Containerization will talk, okay, or we'll say it as containerization. Okay. So these 4 pillars are there for your full stack, guys. Okay. See, they have given the content as well in your chat. Okay, you can go through that as well. In the chat, you got the content, guys. Just go through that. Okay. And I've added the agentic AI as well. Okay. So that is also the part. Clear, guys? Yeah. So these are the 4 verticals of data science. Okay, data engineering, you have data analysis, you have data modeling, and model deployment and monitoring, guys. Okay. So these are some of the collections. Okay. In data engineering, you'll do collection, storage, management, governance, and quality control. Data analysis, graphical analysis, you'll use graph and statistics, statistical modeling, and machine learning. Drift monitoring, model tracking, model registry, and containerization in your model deployment. Okay. See, for learning data science and AI, right, guys, you need 2 chapters of mathematics. One is statistics, another one is. These are the heart of data science, guys. Okay. Because it's not clear, right? With this statistics and probability part, okay, you cannot understand the concepts, guys. Okay, it will be very hard. Okay, so I hope you have some understanding of statistics and probability, all of you. Oh, yeah. So some basic is required, but still, we will try to see because it is important, guys. Your whole course relies on these 2 only. Okay, mathematical chapters, statistics and probability. Clear, everyone? Till here? Okay. Then I'll move to the Gen AI, guys. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. So you understood about full stack, right, guys? Full stack data science, you got an idea, right? Okay, these things we'll see. First, you'll go for full stack data science. Okay. First, let me know, guys, you have any doubts still here? Till this point, you're clear, all of you. You can update in chat as well. Okay. So I'll move to the next part. Full stack data science. Okay, end-to-end life cycle like data initiation, cleaning, feature engineering, modeling, deployment, and modeling. So what do you understand by data, guys? First question. What is data? It is a collection of information, right? So in real time, you will mostly get the data in unstructured format. Okay, for that purpose, you have to do data indexation and data cleaning. Then only you can go ahead with the other concepts. Okay. So in full stack data science, you'll have end-to-end lifecycle data indexation, cleaning, feature engineering, okay, modeling, deployment, and more. Then typical stack, it will include Streamlit, Fast API, okay, scikit-learn, API, and Tableau as well sometimes. And some demo examples like customer churn, I told you, right, in the course content. We'll see this. So it is a collection of information. So you'll get the data from different sources, right? For example, databases or any other source, right? So you have to transform the data, okay, in order to make it work on the analysis part. Okay. How do you do the transformation now? Through statistics and probability. Okay. Clear? Yeah. Then moving to GenAI and capabilities. You're clear with the full stack data science guys still here? Or you what I've explained? Any doubts still here? You can let me know. All right, guys, just give me 2 minutes, guys. Just I'll be back. Yeah, guys. Okay. So full stack, you're clear, right? All of you guys. Okay. Now we'll move to the generative AI capabilities and use cases. So from prediction to creative of LLMs and diffusion models, okay, some use cases like text to SQL, text to chart, synthetic data generation, and auto generate ideas and visuals from data queries. This we'll see. Okay. Agentic AI. First, I'll cover this one. Okay. Gen AI. So you have seen the data about that. Gen AI. Okay. So in normal terms, what is your understanding of generative AI, guys? What do you understand? Generation of content. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so it's a generation of content. Text, images, yes, exactly. Okay, so basically it is a type of AI or artificial intelligence that will create new content. Okay, for example, text is there. Okay, and images you guys have mentioned, right? Code as well. Okay, why? How will do it? By learning, okay, from existing data. Okay. So it is a type of AI that creates new content like text, images, code. Okay, in order to generate the data, learn, and by learning from the existing data. Okay, clear all of you? Now some use cases we'll see this. Okay. Like how and where it will be used. So first one is content creation. So it will generate new content as we have seen, right? Like realistic images. Okay. When this one can written text also, it has the capability to generate this. Okay. For marketing purpose, you can say. For different analysis of what I'm taking. Okay. You can take education as well, right? Can be there. Entertainment industry. Correct. So this is for content creation, first one. Next use case is business and duty as well. So it will automate what are the tasks. One example is writing emails, I'm recollecting. Okay. Other one, summarizing the docs or documents, right? Is also one of the possibility. And reports creation as well. In order to, why we create the reports, guys? In order to improve the efficiency. Okay. This you got it. Next one is customer experience. So this one will try to drive the power chatbots. Okay. For customer service. Okay, and it provides recommendations as well. And it will help to analyze feedback as well. To improve models and services. Okay. For example, take a look at Amazon case. Okay, so if a user is subscribing to Amazon, okay, and has been a part of Amazon for more than 4 years, suppose. So over that course of time, okay, he has bought many products online and offline as well, sometimes. So, and now over the course of 3 to 4 years that has been subscribed to Amazon, Amazon has recognized, okay, this person is spending monthly this much amount. So we'll try to give him some benefits. We'll try to be including him in the loyalty program. Okay, and give some discounts, specialized discounts as well, because he has been part of Amazon for this time. So those kind of improvements you can get, guys. Okay, with the customer experience. Okay. Some use cases. Also, apart from this, it is used in science and research as well. Okay, design and engineering. Software development as well. What I can recollect, I'm writing is data analysis and yeah, this is augmentation. Yeah, we can give. Okay, so these are some use cases, guys, for your Gen AI. Clear? Understood, guys? Okay. Text to chat. See, this is also the use cases. You can take this as well. Okay, I've given few here. From here also you can take like text to SQL. Okay, SQL means structured query language. So this is a database language and text to chart, synthetic data generation. Okay, and it also auto generates insights and visuals from data queries as well, guys. The Gen AI. This is the capability. Okay, clear about Gen AI, guys? Now, Aman, you were asking, right? Are you clear? Aman, Shajil, and Ravindra.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Yeah. So you got an idea about how to go about Gen AI and what designations you can look at, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how the overview looks like. Okay. Next one will move into this agentic AI, guess. Okay, the next, like, what are the reasons why we go for agentic AI? Plans and acts autonomously. Okay, components like LLM, backbone, memory, tools.
Okay, Sayed, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
So, just if I need to visualize, how will this be different than the traditional Google search engine, for example, right? Because this will be still taking the source of data from internet or something. Let's say if I want to find a YouTube video of a
Mhm.
song named XYZ, I search on Google or search on, let's say any Gen AI tool.
Mhm.
Will the source be different, or like why would I use Gen AI tool versus that, is it just not meant for searching, only generation?
So basically, Gen AI, as I told you, it's a part of AI, right? Type of AI, okay, that will learn from the large data sets. Okay, so that will be able to help you create the content like text, image. Already we have seen code, okay, or even here it is used to reduce the organization's work time, repetitive tasks. Okay, So from that point of view, okay, you'll be able to extract information from data, okay, like you're expanding some text and all. For example, take a store as Walmart. Okay, there you'll have different products, right, in catalogs and all. So Walmart has decided to put some big discount on a certain product. So they will try to market it. Okay, they will try to create a bigger banner, right? So for example, 70% off, 60% off, and they'll put it in front of that particular product so that people can see that and they can come and buy the respective product, right? But they'll not do it for other products. Okay, they are targeting that specific product because of the demand, right? Basic understanding I'm giving. So same way through text mining and GenAI, right? You can bring that text boldly in the top. You can make it large and showcase it to the requirement of client. Clear? I hope this answers your question, Aman.
Yeah.
So that's why GenAI is really helpful. Okay, it has a lot other use cases as well. I'm just giving a real-time example how you can capture. Okay. Then it helps the data analysis agents to provide the insights and recommendations as well. Okay, I'll cover that, guys. Okay. Yeah. So GenAI and Agentic. GenAI we have seen. Agentic AI we'll see. Okay. So what is your understanding, guys, of Agentic AI? So here Agentic AI is called as autonomous system. Okay, designed to achieve the goals. You can say human operation. Okay, I can put like this. So it is a autonomous artificial intelligence system designed to achieve goals with minimal human supervision. Take actions on its own, and it can. Okay, basically how the system works, agentic AI will go through AI. Okay, definitely something like a brain. Human, basically using the formula. So the process involves perception, filmmaking, some action, and learning as well. Okay. Now we'll see the use cases. First one will be a lot of people use it for this one. Okay, customer service automation. You can say. Okay. Handling recovery products. So customer service automation will include these things, guys. And cyber security as well. So this will include real-time threat detection units. Okay. Also, autonomous. Guys, just be on mute if you're not speaking. Yeah. So agentic AI, autonomous artificial intelligence system designed to achieve goals with minimal humans. Okay, so process involves perception, decision making, action, and learning. Use cases, customer service automation. This includes handling the inquiries, recommending products. Cybersecurity, real-time threat that is. Next one will say is optimization. In areas like supply chain, right? You can understand. Supply chain, fraud detection. Some financial operations also can be handled. Clear? Okay. So you're clear with the agentic AI, guys, and use cases, what I walked you through. Let me know, guys. Clear, all of you? Man, Ravindra, and yeah. You guys are clear? Any
Yeah.
doubts? Yeah. Okay. Ravindra, what about you? All right.
I still had that question pending.
Which
What
one?
topics will they be practical, or most of them will be theoretical, of understanding conceptually, or it will be all practical?
It will be all practical and theory, okay? Because we need practical part as well to understand, right? So that you guys can apply them in real time as well. Okay, I'll give you real time use cases. Okay, one already I've given you the Walmart, right, and Amazon as well. Clear? So there will be real time implementation along with the theoretical part.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Okay. Then we'll move to the next part. So this will have sorry, integration. Okay, architecture, data plus GenAI plus NTI, how the data layers are connected, databases, APIs, pipelines, ML layer, model training, or interface also with for inference. Then generative layer like LLM summarization and code generation. Agentic layer, autonomous agents executing the workflows. Okay. Generative AI is okay. Prompts to Python code generator. So you can create prompts as well. Okay. And auto data visualization using LLM prompts. Okay. Some real-time insights will try to take from different data. Okay. Agentic AI, okay, this will be a multi-agent system automating data cleaning and reporting. Self correcting the pipeline, think, plan, and execute. So this should reflect as okay in your agentic AI part. think, plan, execute, and do. Some future trends, okay, and tools like LangChain, Llama, Few AI, auto generation, OpenDivin. Okay, what are the rise of autonomous data science platforms? Okay, so these are important things. Okay, human plus AI collaboration models and all. Yeah, and how the evolve. Okay, so we have discussed how data science evolves, right? Through data science and AI first, AI world actually. Trust and interpretability and governance in AI systems also on. Yeah. So this is for you guys. Okay, I'm keeping the Q&As open for your feedback. Clear? So this is what I had for today's demo, guys. Okay, I hope it was interactive. You got the information, right? So if you have any questions now, you can ask, guys. I hope I have covered the content course wise, okay, and demo wise what we are going to see, right? So I have shared the details also for the DURGASOFT content, as well as some free videos will be given to you. Okay, 170 plus videos are getting for free, guys. Okay, that is at a cost of 5,000. So that will also be covered by the Institute and Management of DURGASOFT. Okay, you'll get some great insights, okay, of how the data science is taken care. Okay, all clear, guys? Hope the session was good. You got some understanding of data science and Gen and Agentic AI, right? Any questions, guys, you have for me? Hope you have taken the link of course, right, which has mentioned in the chat. Clear course content. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts, guys? Anything you had for me? You can let me know. Aman and Ravindra. Ravindra, are you there?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Okay. So you're looking for more into AI. Yes. Yes, Ravindra. ML is important. See, ML is part of AI. Okay, data science is nothing outside AI. First, AI will come. Inside AI,
Okay.
you have data science. Okay, so you cannot keep data science out of AI because you'll not understand. Okay, AI is
Okay.
a complex part to understand. So AI, you can, in general terms, how you can put it is AI is like an umbrella. Inside that umbrella, you will have smaller chunks, smaller divisions of data science. Okay, data science will come under that umbrella of AI. So we cannot keep data science out, okay, because statistics and probability is very, very important. Okay, and data science concepts you have to understand in order to understand the AI. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Any other question, guys, you have for me for this demo class today? Aman, what about you? You're clear?
Yeah, till now.
Fine. So yeah. So this is about it, guys. Okay. Do have the registration done from your end. Okay. Because I'll be starting the course very soon. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow also we have a demo. Okay, at the same time. So that will be covered. Okay, and hope you got some information, right? About the content and course, what exactly it is. Okay. Fine, guys. So I thanks for joining. Okay, and you can have some insights as well for the data science and all. Hope you got all the details. Okay, so do the registration, come to the demos. Okay, there will be free demos as I told, right? 3 to 4 free demos will have. You can get more understanding. Okay, then you can look for the classes as well. Okay, okay, all right,
Okay.
guys. So, thanks a lot, guys, for joining. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Okay. Have a nice day, guys.